Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got these cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a professional hair cutting set that you guys can use to cut your hair, or if you guys are a barber, you guys can use it at the hair salon and whatnot. So first thing first, I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. So first thing we guys can see right here is a little hair brush that they provide you. Next, they provide you a little brush you guys can use to kind of brush off any hair on your face, or you can use to actually brush off the actual scissors itself, or if you guys have a razor, you guys can do the same thing as well. Next, we have the actual cover, so the one that you guys usually go to the barber hair salon, they have that little cover and vent to help any of the hair from like dropping onto your clothes. It actually slips off really easy. This is what that is. And the last and final thing that we have right here is the case itself with all the scissors and the actual set itself. So let's open up. So the case itself is pretty nice. Let's open it up. Alright, so this is basically what comes inside, as you can see. So there's the two types of scissors that they provide you. So this one is the regular hair cutting scissor. And then here's the thinning shear or thinning scissor right here, as you can see. They provide you some hair clips if you guys want to clip your hair to make sure you guys don't cut certain part of the hair. Here's a little cloth that they provide you to wipe off any part of the, I guess, scissor and whatnot. And then last but not least is the actual comb that they provide you. So that's basically the whole entire set that is included in here. Definitely a really cool set of products and everything, but let's actually test out the sharpness of the actual scissor itself and see how sharp it is first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have both of the scissor or the hair cutting scissors. I'm going to try both of them out to show you guys how sharp the actual blade is when we use it to cut this piece of paper that I folded up. So let's start with the thinning one first. So you can see that the thinning one doesn't really do anything because it's for thinning your hair. Let's try the normal one, which is for straight up cutting your hair. So you can see that it actually works pretty well and it's pretty sharp. This one is definitely much more sharp because it's like the hair cutting scissor that is like the regular scissors and whatnot, whereas the other one is for thinning. So if I unfold this piece of paper to show you guys what the thinning one can do. So you can see this is basically what the thinning one can do. Definitely a different kind of like pattern or like the way how it's cut is differently, as you can see, versus like the normal ones right here. But both of them works pretty well. You guys definitely get like a really nice grip on both of the actual scissors itself on right here, because it made really nicely that it like has a good grip. It won't hurt your hand or whatever when you're using to cut other person's hair and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. And they also have this little part right here that makes it really easy to kind of like put it back in the bag and it won't come off or won't fall off really easily and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product of the scissor. You guys can see that it actually works really well. I actually have a set of these from a different brand a long time ago, and this one works the same way as those two scissors that I have. And the reason why I'm reviewing this product or even mentioning this product to you guys is because during these times it's really hard to get a haircut from a hair salon or whatever, because a lot of people are like afraid to go to actual hair salon to get a haircut. So this is another alternative if you guys want to cut your own hair, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people's hair are growing really fast or really long now, so this would actually be really useful. But that's basically everything that's in the set itself. You guys can see the scissor test to see how sharp it is and everything. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So honestly for me, I would have to say that this product is worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. Especially like I was mentioned earlier about how like a lot of people here are growing really long and they don't have like a barber to go to, or they're scared to even go to one. But then obviously for those guys who don't want this product or don't need this product and just are not scared to go to the barber even with everything that's happening, then obviously don't buy one of these and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have